at the Lighthouse Beach right now, and I can see the lighthouse right in front of me. One of the main adventurous attraction here is the catamaran. I know that you all know what a catamaran is. It's a wooden boat, and I'm going to go in a bigger one which is made up of 4 logs of wood. It's completely safe and secured with a life jacket. They're going to take me right into the sea, and I'm going to travel there about 1 hour and then come back. I even get to do snorkeling, and this is the first time that I'm going to experience this, and I'm really excited and a bit tense too. And I want to take you to this experience, so please come with me. So the catamaran is ready and I'm all set too. So I think let's embark on this journey. My first time, and I'm excited as well as a little scared. So I'm going to step my foot into this one now. Okay, so we have started moving. Bit scary at the start, but I'm hoping it would be a good ride. Fingers crossed. You can see the waves behind me. I'm sure this is going to be a bumpy ride. Oh, it's a big one. Whoa, we are starting. Okay, but actually it's pretty safe, you know, especially you have the life jacket, and also this is real wooden boat, so it's never going to turn upside down. And our man of the boat, that is Ibrahim Chetan, he is a fisherman and he's also a lifeguard. So my life is safe in his hand, and I'm very sure about that. Whoever is coming to the Lighthouse Beach and going on board the catamaran, they are on safe hands. I'm almost 2 minutes away from the shore, and now we've reached the calm state of the sea. And this is exciting because I'm not feeling hot at all. I was really feeling the sun when I was on the shore, but right now it's pretty cool, and I get this, I get the breeze, I get the cold breeze. Do you see that rock there? We are going to go around it and then come back to the shore. And I think I'm going to get a snorkeling glass too, where I can see underwater, and probably if I want to go over the rock also, I think that's possible. You can see more catamarans around here, and now the boat is going a bit more faster, because I wanted to go faster because I can't wait to reach the rock. Wow. And you can be safe here because this is a very strong catamaran. It's never going to turn upside down. If at all it does because of heavy waves, then you know you can just go on top of the wood and be safe there. And you have a life jacket, so there's nothing to worry about. The sea is so calm, and I really can't express my, the experience, and you really have to be here, honestly, to experience this, because the sea is very calm. You get the light breeze, and you see all blue around, and I honestly can't express this. I thought I'll help our Ibrahim Chetan and try it moving the catamaran. Okay. I really can't see the shore now. I think we are about 10 minutes from the shore and we are about to reach the rock. Like I told you earlier, the catamaran is really strong. So you can just lie down or kind of sit in any position that is convenient for you and the catamaran will take care of you. I think other than the catamaran, we also have speedboats and surfing opportunities here. And right now I am going to reach the rocks and I'm going to do snorkeling as well. Okay, now I've learned one more skill thanks to my trip to Kovalam. Okay, I'm in the front, so probably I'm riding this now. Okay, now I want to steer to the right, go to the right. Look at this beauty here. Wow. Right in the middle of the sea, a huge chunk of rock. I really can't believe that I'm so much into the sea. And you can know now, see, it's so deep. More than the length of this. You can see fishermen over there collecting the shells. Like I told you earlier, this is their daily routine. Some of them go in catamaran and bring the shells back to the shore. Some of them actually dive into the sea in the middle of it and collect the shells. Most of the fishermen here live with this, you know. You can even experience it if you're on a catamaran. They'll give you the snorkeling glasses and you can go deep inside the water. I prefer not to because I'm going to go elsewhere that I'm very eager to show you. You really don't have to go under the water to see it. You can even be in the catamaran and oh my god, I really can see the sea under me. Wow. There's the rock there that I can see. This is one-time experience. There's a big fish down there. Hello. I really can't explain this because it's just beautiful view from here. And imagine when you go underwater. From here itself you can see the rock bed and the fishes and the seaweeds. And I drank a little bit of salt water too, but that's fine. This is totally worth it. There goes our Ibrahim Chetan. He has left me all alone on the catamaran and he is having a good swimming on the sea. It's exercise aanu cheta ravilate. Chetan ella dosu ravile ഇതേപോലെ ഇറങ്ങും ആരെങ്കിലും കൊണ്ട് ടൂറിസ്റ്റിനൊക്കെ കൊണ്ട് ഇറങ്ങും അല്ലേ? and ഇത് എന്നിട്ട് ഇവരെ നടുക്കടലിൽ കൊണ്ട് എത്തിച്ചിട്ട് പിന്നെ നീന്താൻ പോകും.
അറിയാത്തവരെ നീന്തി പഠിപ്പിക്കും. പേടി മാറാനുള്ള ഒരു പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് ഒരു എന്താ പറയാ ഒരു നല്ലൊരു ഒരു ഐഡിയ ആണ്. എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ പേടി മാറിക്കിട്ടും. അവർക്ക് നീന്താൻ അറിയാത്തവർ ചിലർ പേടിക്കും.
അതെ കറക്റ്റ്. എനിക്ക് പേടിയുണ്ടായിരുന്നു പക്ഷെ ഇപ്പൊ ഇല്ല.
ഇതുവരെ വെള്ളത്തിറങ്ങി കഴിയുമ്പോൾ പേടി കാണില്ല. പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് കട്ടമരം എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ സേഫ് ആണ്. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് കട്ടമരത്തിൽ കൊണ്ടുപോകും. ബോട്ട് അവിടെ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ സേഫ് ആണ് കട്ടമരം.
So he says Katamaram is the safest of all the boats because it's really strong and made up of wooden logs. And when you reach the middle of the sea or near the rock, what he's going to do is if you really want to swim, you can go ahead and swim in the sea. Or if you're really scared, then he might even teach you swimming. And there's life jackets, so there's nothing that you have to worry about. And he's a trained swimming teacher too, right? I believe out of all the boats, the most exciting is Katamaram because you really get to enjoy. This is a slow ride, so you get to enjoy the sea, you get to see the sea, you get to feel the warmth. Whereas there goes a speedboat, it just goes away very fast. You just have to go back to the shore once you finish seeing the sea. But this is where you can really enjoy and take a slow ride and enjoy the sea. I'm going to have my Titanic moment right now. I'm going to practice my balancing act as well.
தானறிந்து படித்தாரவே ஏலவலே ஏலல்லா இல்லல்லாவே எங்களுடைய வாழ்க்கை எல்லாம் ஏலவலே கையாலே கைதரடா ஏலவலே எங்களுடைய ராஜாவே ஏலவலே நாங்கள் எல்லாம் பட்டணியே ஏலவலே எங்களுக்கு தருவானல்லா ஏலவலே தந்தாலோ திருப்தியாகும் ஏலவலே.
I'm just going to finish my Katamaram ride and I'm going to go back to the shore right now. Oh my god, I really can't explain to you what was my experience here. I told you earlier that I was little kind of tensed to get on board and go to the sea. But right now I'm like a different person. Trust me, I'm not exaggerating because I was scared of the water bodies and now I think I'm totally fine. And in Katamaram you're going to enjoy more than these speedboats or the other type of boats that you go into the sea. And here I am back. No! So there we are. I've completed my Katamaram. Oh my god. Thank you. So So there I complete my Katamaram ride, and this is one of the best experiences I had in Kovalam. So make sure if you're at Kovalam, don't miss the Katamaram ride. Alright, let me hop on.